another theme park video. Except this is Cabana Bay Volcano view. Definitely like the color scheme in here. It's really nice. Very bright. Nice little walk-in shower here. Pretty nice. But I know what you're waiting for. Y'all ready for this? The big reveal. Where's it at? There it is. So we are just catty corner from it. But as you can see, we are very close. See the entire, or almost the entire water park from here. Or the icon, and the swings right beside it. Looks like there's Mako back in the background. Pretty nice view. I'd recommend it.